Too late. Too late.
I don't want that on record. So apparently Kevin McCurry has this game called Angled Cornhole, where you're at a slope. It's really fun and challenging.
And here we see Chris McGowan in his natural habitat playing cornhole with some friends. Oh, he's winding up his pitch now. And oh, I can't see if he scored or not. That other person is in the way. I'm a horrible commentator.
And he has tossed the ball and it is on. Oh, it falls off. Bad luck. That's all it is. Bad luck once more for Gray. And Purple does not get any luck this round. Let's see. At the bottom of round, whatever. We're seeing Gray still at the top of their game. Purple still out of luck. And Gray has it in. What an exciting sport we're playing, and definitely not super boring.
The crowd is going absolutely wild at this development.
That was the crowd.
Yes, clearly.
Oh. One on, one on. One more on. This could decide the game. No, it really doesn't. Oh, and it's off the thing.
Things are really heating up.
Things are really heating up because the sun's out, and that makes things hotter. So true.
True. What's up, everybody? I forgot to make my own Blimeycon vlog, so I'm taking over Chris's now. Haha. So we're here at Kevin's house, saying good morning to Kevin. Chris is here, the wrong Chris.
Yes, I'm the other Chris.
Yeah, he's the other Chris. I don't even know if that was pointed at him. I couldn't see the little screen.
I think you got half my head.
Well, there we go. Now we can see you properly. Say something interesting.
I like Sky.
Well, you tried. So, maybe Big Boy. Barkley's the real reason we came.
I know.
Yeah.
Sure. I know.
BarkCon.
Yes.
So, what are you doing with the camera?
Nothing. I haven't done nothing with your camera.
You had to take the airplane apart,
nothing at all.
put it back together.
Yeah.
And there wouldn't be enough time to
You have fun playing cornhole?
took it down apart.
Did you have fun using my camera?
Yeah, a little.
Yeah.
Well, that's the thing.
I'll see what footage you got later and how much fun you actually had.
No, I didn't really get much.
Your political vlogs are going to be all over the internet.
But you can put it in your vlog probably.
I probably will.
While we're here, everybody, go check out youtube.com/schmook, which is spelled SHCMM. Sorry, SHCMOOK. I don't even know how to spell it. That's how bad it is. All right, bye.
So it's just this little room, if you can believe it. This is the white background. So it's just a white wall. It's just a white wall. Well, it's a sheet, see? If you look. So I stand here, right? And or I put a table, and I took the doors off my closet, and so I have my camera over there. And lately, if you've seen my videos, I have the camera over here, and I stand here. So, or for the live stream or whatever. Yeah, and I've got this thingy also. And I have this black part, which my father-in-law gave me, and you can use like Velcro on it. So I think I'll give it's like a museum. I'll give the same speech again. I'm thinking I'll do like flannel graph or something, you know, down there. You know, in Sunday school. In Sunday school they have the like little characters.
Oh, okay.
You wouldn't understand, I guess.
I didn't go to Sunday school.
Great.
I know what.
Get out then. So that's it. I mean, it's just a room, but yeah, and then, but if you were like, what's it like to film a video? The guy's filming video. You know.
You keep popcorn in the popcorn thing at all?
Yeah, cause like, what am I gonna make more?
Is it fake or real?
It's real popcorn.
Ooga chaka, ooga 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 chaka ooga. Hooked on a feeling. still believing that you're in love with me. I said I'm gonna feel it, and I'm high, I'm believing that you're in love with me.
It's over, Anakin. I have the high ground.
You underestimate my power!
Don't try it. You were my brother, Anakin.
Oh no.
Morning, Josh. How's it going?
Good morning, Chris. Yours truly, Chris. Versus last Chris. First shall be last Chris. Versus last is dead Chris.
I revived it.
First is dead is resurrected Chris. Truly resurrected dead live. First last shall be Chris.
I mean, just look at all these people marching down Kevin Street.
In protest.
Blimeycon lives matter. So now today we are back at Opry Mills because all the Blimeycon people are going to be meeting up in the food court. So unfortunately security went up to me and told me I could not have this out. So now we are off to the Opry Hotel, which we were at earlier this week. And we're going to be doing a little bit of a scavenger hunt. I had no idea what Josh has in store, but should be fun.
Used to be a theme park attraction. It was one of those water rides where you sit in a circle and you kind of bounce through like a river. It's called Berkeley River Ramp. So for many years, this was like a little ditch area where all the water was. They just emptied out the water and just left it there. But now they finally filled it out.
Josh, didn't something like this happen in season 2 of Brother Brother Time where you mentioned losing Jordan in the mall?
This did happen in the mall. If only we didn't share a cell phone. Yeah, it was this mall that I was referring to. Yeah, so there you go. Self-fulfilling prophecy, I guess.
Chris, I'm having a deja vu moment. I've seen this place before. A deja vu moment. What's up, JC?
Yeah. Hi. Hey, it's Alice in Wonderland themed here today, so it's Blimeycon Alice in Wonderland, so enjoy that. Look who I coincidentally ran into. Wow. We ran into each other at the Wilson County Fair, and then we ran into each other at the Opryland Hotel. I know. Wow. What a coincidence. Dude, great to see you again, buddy. It's great to see you too. Wow. We just stay at home and lie around, and if you ask us to do anything, we'll just tell you we don't do anything.
Are you ready? I'm ready. I'm ready. I'm ready. I'm ready. Here we go. Time for the scavenger hunt.
Can you see it? You're blocking it.
Yeah, you're blocking the fire extinguisher.
Everyone point to it.
Haven't been one of these in a while. How's it going, Kelly?
Well, we get
Going good. How are you? You having fun?
Yeah, it's going great.
Everyone ready? Everyone in front of a burger place.
So we finally just finished the scavenger hunt. Just finished up with the boats right there.
You guys got 6th place. Congratulations.
So unfortunately we got 6th place, but we're not quite last, so I don't know.
Huh? Hello?
Well, Gabe, how would you say that went?
Went pretty well. I just got kind of tired along the way just because there were so many pictures, and then there was like a bonus round that was optional. It was like 9 more. No thanks.
Yeah, so we kind of came in second to last, but the second to last should also be first. Am I right? So right now we are on our way to
Cookout again.
Yay! Because all the people said cookout. You can't get enough of it down in the South. It's like the In-N-Out of the South. Except They have better milkshakes at Cookout. So this is your first time at Cookout?
Yeah.
What'd you think of it?
It was okay. It was like, it was your average burger joint. I wouldn't say anything else about it. The US has a lot more fast food restaurants than Canada though.
So now we are at the park over here at this pavilion with all the other Blimeycon folks hanging out, I guess.
Hi, Chris's vlog.
Hi. We were all the way down there in the parking spot, and he goes, "Oh look, it's Joe," and I'm like, "How can you tell?" Oh, it's the hair.
Especially with the sun back there. It's full radiant glory.
So according to Josh, this car right here is the car that we used in the Knee Each Other music video, which is kind of cool. It's one of my favorite songs, and it's right here, the actual car. Like, when it comes to Blimeycon history and music, right there. I mean, it's not like it's gonna end up in a museum anytime soon, but still, it's really cool though.
Here, have an aux cable.
There's an aux cable. Yay, an aux cable. The aux cable has been plugged in.
And now, so are you.
I'm doing the roll down the hill challenge. Here we go.
Yes.
Yes, he's everything. I don't know. A Kindle. Found a Kindle. This episode is sponsored to you by Kindle by Amazon. Amazon.com. Find your favorite books and more on Kindle. Oh my gosh, I feel like I'm about to run into a tree! Am I almost there? Nope. Oh my gosh! Keep going. We can do it. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! I'm not there yet! Oh my gosh! Just when you think you're done, there's one more roll. Am I there? You're about there. Holy crap! You were right. I think I swallowed a bug at one point. My mouth just went over some poor bug and slurped it up.
Coffee. Blimey boss. Blimey boss.
You got more to go.
Whoa.
How do you feel?
It's still spinning.
I dare you to roll down that hill.
Hold my avocado.
Okay. Red Rover, send Andrew right over.
Good, good.
Annihilate them, Andrew. Nice life.
Oh, that was 2 moves.
That was 2 moves.
So you're still in.
Okay.
Okay.
I guess I'm here.
Yeah. Oh, no. Wait,
Wow, that was very fast. That was really good. Not gonna lie, it's a very uncomfortable position for me here. And the sad thing is I know I'm gonna get hit in 5 seconds.
Right, you're up.
What just happened?
See what I tell you?
So the night is not over, it's just beginning. I'm actually gonna go over and Uber to Chris and Andrew's Airbnb and hang out with them for a little while.
Nothing's gonna change if you give it your attention. All you gotta do is just believe you can be who you wanna be. Sincerely, miss you dearly. Sincerely me. Sincerely me. Sincerely me. Sincerely me.
No one has more things to mention my practical tactical brilliance! You wanna fight for your land back? Get your right hand man back. Yeah, get your right hand man back. You know you gotta get your right hand man back. I mean you gotta put some thought to the ladder, but the sooner the better to get your right hand man back!
Alexander Hamilton, troops are waiting in the field for you.
Everything he does betrays the ideals of our nation.
Hey, you don't know, now you know.
Thank you, Secretary Jefferson. Secretary Hamilton, for your response.
You must be out of your meddling in the middle of a military mess, a game of chess where France is queen and kingless. We signed a treaty with the king whose head is now in a basket. Would you like to take it out and ask it? Should we honor a treaty King Louis had? Do whatever you want. I'm super dead.
Never gonna be president now. Never gonna be president now. One less thing to worry about. One less thing to worry about.
It is 2:30 in the morning here. He's got to leave in a few hours.
Yeah, it's gonna be quite, yeah. But it was great to see you again, man.
Yes.
And I can't wait for the next time.
Yeah.
Well, it'll be soon, hopefully. I don't really know. I don't know what his plans are.
I have no idea what his plans are.
He is a strong, independent man who don't need no Chris. I don't know.
Meanwhile, Chris gets a bunch of L.
You don't have to go home, but you can't stay here.